It's not always my turn to answer. My name is Jack. My teacher is Miss Oates. I am 5 years old and go to St. Malachy School. I like to answer questions in class. When I know the answer, I will put up my hand and wait. Sometimes my teacher will ask me to answer the question. This is okay. Sometimes my teacher won't ask me to answer the question, and this is okay too. Everyone needs to have a turn to answer a question in class. This makes my teacher happy. If my teacher does not ask me to answer a question in class, this is okay. I will wait my turn to answer the question. This will make my teacher happy. This will make my friends happy too. Okay, good listening, Jack. So remember, we're going to wait our turn to answer.